Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Damul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Saturday, 19 February 2022, now morning time. This Saturday morning I am visiting a natural place in our village. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place, beautiful natural place, small soils road, both side big tree, green nature, all in all beautiful place. Actually it is a garden area, tea garden area in our village. This place is really very beautiful and natural place. Friends, now I walking in this small soils road, and I saw here some polluted garbage, so now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে শনিবার সকালে আমি আমাদের গ্রামের একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। এখানে ছোট একটি মাটির রাস্তা আছে, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। মাটির রাস্তার দুই পাশে অনেক বড় বড় গাছ, এছাড়া আরও সবুজ প্রকৃতি, অনেক সুন্দর প্রাকৃতিক জায়গা, একটি বাগানের একটি অংশ, গাছ বাগানের। তো এখান দিয়ে হাঁটার সময় আজ সকালে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা, পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্যান ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place of village. Small soils road, small and big tree. Friends, really very beautiful natural place. Now I am walking in this place, and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I try to cleaning this place. Friends, I saw here one plastic, old plastic. I collected this plastic. Friends, you can see this plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our nature, our natural place. So I always try to remove polluted plastic from natural place. Friends, this is small soils road. Many people use this road for walk. Friends, I saw here another plastic, old cloth here. I collected this old cloth. Friends, I saw another plastic product, unused plastic product, dirty, a very dirty product. This is a dirty product, plastic product, really very bad dirty product. Another plastic here, another old plastic here. I collected this old plastic. Friends, here beautiful bird sound. Friends, stock this dirt garbage and collected another garbage. Friends, now I walking in this small soils road. This soils road, both side small and big tree. I saw another old cloth, very dirty old cloth here, and I saw another plastic here, old cloth, plastic, really very bad product. I saw another plastic here, beautiful roof of tree, plastic. I collected another plastic. Another unused plastic product. This plastic product, unused plastic product. I collected this plastic product. I saw another plastic here, another plastic stuck in soils. মাটিতে আটকে আছে, আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Very old plastic, old and dirty. I saw another plastic here, old plastic. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our nature, our natural place, our peoples, our children. So I always try to remove polluted plastic from public place, natural place, and finally I'll say let's all save our nature, natural place. Friends, really very beautiful natural place, amazing nature, roof of tree, green nature, really beautiful place. I saw another garbage here, stuck in soil, small garbage. I collected this polluted garbage. Friends, I saw another plastic here stuck in soil. বাকি তার কাছে এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। ওল্ড অ্যান্ড ডার্টি প্লাস্টিক, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। very dirty plastic. Friends, another small soil road. I saw here one plastic. I collected this plastic, very bad plastic, dirty product. Another plastic here is stuck in soil. বাকিটা আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। another garbage. সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic here stuck in soil, very dirty, really dirty product, dirty. Another plastic here, এটা সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic here, old plastic. I collected this plastic, old plastic. I collected many plastic from this place, from this natural place, very bad and polluted plastic. Friends, I collected this plastic and garbage, very bad polluted plastic. Polluted plastic. Another garbage. And another plastic. Friends, I collected many polluted. Friends, I collected many polluted, old polluted plastic product, unused plastic product, polluted garbage from this from village natural place. And a bag in my hand, all garbage threw in bag. Bag আমি আবর্জনাগুলো ভরবো. Let's go. First plastic. Old plastic, very old. Friends, finally you will say, let's all save our nature, our natural place. This old plastic really very bad for our natural place. Old cloth, really very bad cloth. Friends, all garbage thrown in bag, bag ভরে গিয়েছে. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this garbage bag in our city's municipalities dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this garbage bag threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much.